What if I told you that you could have a newly discovered 2023 error penny in your pocket or purse right now that's worth $80? Watch this video and you'll learn how to easily identify this error, and I'll teach you how to identify a unique die marker that'll help protect you from dishonest sellers. This is a 2023 penny. If you have any, you're going to want to pull them out and check them real quick. First, you're looking for a penny minted in Philadelphia. This variety is unique to pennies minted in Philadelphia only. How do you know if it's from Philadelphia? First, find the date on the front of the penny. If there's a D or an S under the date, you're not going to find this extra V error. You're looking for a penny without a mint mark. This means it was minted at the Philadelphia Mint. Now, if you don't have a mint mark, that's a good thing for this variety. Let's find the designer's initials. The designer's name is Victor David Brenner, so we're looking for VDB. VDB is located on the front or obverse of the Lincoln cent, on the bottom, not far from the rim of the coin, a little left of center, right here. Now the VDB is supposed to be there. The error variety that we're looking for has an extra V after the VDB, just like this right here. This extra V should be visible to the naked eye. Here's a normal 2023 Philadelphia minted penny without the extra V compared to the error variety VDB V Penny. You might be asking yourself, how does this happen? Coin error specialist Mike Diamond, who is the lead author of Coin World's weekly Collectors Clearinghouse, was sent 3 of these error varieties to inspect in early 2023. After a thorough inspection, Mr. Diamond believes that there was some mint mischief afoot. Mr. Diamond was able to rule out several possibilities and has determined that this is likely an unauthorized, intentional modification to the working hub by a mint employee. So far, all of the legitimate varieties share a common die marker. This can help you identify a legitimate variety when sifting through some of the inaccurate and deceitful offerings on eBay, Shopify, and ignorant or dishonest sellers that you might come across. In order to authenticate this variety, you want to locate a tiny die chip and die crack on Lincoln's forehead. This might be difficult to see when you're looking at pictures depending on the quality and direction of the light. Here are some pictures I pulled from eBay showing the die chip. None of the pictures that I found were clear enough to see the die crack. I'm actually interested in buying one of these from eBay if I can get a decent price on a good-looking penny. Let me show you one to stay away from, and I'll tell you why. Here's an actual eBay listing that concerns me. This is advertised as a 2023 P new DDO error, VDB V, etc. The coin flip says it's a DDO/DDR, which stands for double die obverse and reverse. We'll discuss that in a second. First, let's examine the VDB V. As we discussed, the extra V should be visible to the naked eye. I don't know about you, but I can't see it here or here, and I can barely make out what looks like it might be a V right here. Remember though, we can look for the die chip and die crack on Lincoln's forehead to authenticate this error. This isn't looking good though. I don't see the die chip, which should be very obvious on a picture of this quality. But it's also a double die obverse and reverse. Surely it's worth $5, right? Not exactly if you know the difference between a double die and machine doubling. Machine doubling is fairly common on pennies. You can tell the difference by the shelf-like flat lines next to the letters like we see here. Some of the pictures disguise the shelf-like machine doubling because of the angle and the light. But this is just more machine doubling, and it doesn't add any value at all to your coin. A real double die shows other signs of doubling like split serifs. If you want a thorough lesson on double dies, you should check out the website doubledie.com. If you're buying coins to collect or resell, make sure you educate yourself on what you're purchasing. Do research and don't believe everything you hear on the internet. There are plenty of resources out there for you. Okay, let's say you find one of these VDB V varieties. How much is it really worth? Coins are only worth what someone will buy them for. It's way too early to tell how much these pennies will be worth in the future. There are many factors that go into the price of a coin, or any collectible for that matter. The value of your coin will depend on its quality, eye appeal, the status of the current market, and the rarity of your penny. There could have been tens of thousands of these pennies minted. We just don't know yet. I've seen sold prices up to about $80 on eBay, and that's not bad for a penny. When I look at the current prices and sold for prices, I'm seeing a drop in what people are willing to pay for them. I'll probably buy one or two in the next few weeks, and if I find one on my own, I'll be putting it in a coin flip and saving it for my grandkids. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.